India is honored to welcome the distinguished Honorable Adrien Charles Duval, Speaker of the Mauritius National Assembly, on his official visit to our country. During his visit, Honorable Adrien Charles Duval also visited the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, which symbolizes his long-standing and meaningful connection with India. In 2022, as a former Member of Parliament of the Republic of Mauritius, Honorable Duval was part of the fourth batch of ICCR's Gen Next Democracy Network program. This program brought together 277 youth leaders from 75 democratic countries, providing them with an immersive experience of India's rich cultural heritage, vibrant democracy, and innovative developmental initiatives.
We in ICCR were very happy and privileged to receive today the visit of Honorable Charles Adrien Duval, Speaker of National Assembly of Mauritius. I recall last time I had met him was in August 2022 when he visited as a delegate under our Gen Next Democracy Network program. In our discussions today, Honorable Speaker not only very fondly recalled his last visit to India, but also gave some useful ideas about Mauritius and India working together to strengthen the network and contacts that had been established earlier. We are very grateful for his visit today and look forward to working closely in this regard.
As part of the program, Honorable Adrien Charles Duval visited several of India's prominent institutions. These included the Election Commission of India, the PhD Chamber of Commerce, the National Science Centre, and the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO located in the state of Karnataka. These visits offered him valuable insights into the operational excellence and democratic framework that drives India's growth and innovation. The Gen Next Democracy Network program, a flagship initiative of the ICCR under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, aims to introduce young emerging leaders from around the world to India's democratic traditions, cultural heritage, and advancements across various sectors. The delegates of this program, representing 75 democracies, are given a comprehensive overview of India's political landscape, economic progress, and scientific achievements. It is through such interactions that global leaders like Honorable Adrien Charles Duval gain insights into the world's largest democracy. Now, as the Speaker of the Mauritius National Assembly, Honorable Adrien Charles Duval's return to India marks a significant moment, reflecting the strong and enduring ties between our two nations. The Indian Council for Cultural Relations is deeply honored by his visit, which not only strengthens the bond between India and the Republic of Mauritius, but also reaffirms the importance of cultural and democratic exchanges in fostering global unity and understanding. As we continue to build bridges through culture, diplomacy, and shared values, Honorable Adrien Charles Duval's visit serves as a reminder of the profound friendship between our nations. We are delighted to welcome him back to India. We look forward to many more such visits that further deepen the relationship between India and the Republic of Mauritius. Welcome back to India, Honorable Adrien Charles Duval.